First, draw a big rectangle for the cake base.
Good job!
Now, let's draw a small base at the top.
Perfect!
Let's add some cream to make it yummy. Draw half circles side by side. Do the same steps at the top.
You did awesome!
Let's bring our cake to life. Draw big circles for its eyes. And draw smaller circles inside each eye. Then color the big circles but leave the little circles. Those eyelashes look really cool. Now, draw a cute little smile. Wow, doesn't that cake look cute?
Yes!
Now, let's decorate the cake with circles. Birthday cakes need candles. Draw a candle like this. Add a flame on top. Draw small circles for cherries. We drew a perfect birthday cake. Now let's start coloring. This part will go faster, but you can pause at the end to match our colors. Wow, our cake looks so yummy. It's time for a fun fact. Cake without a birthday is like a rainbow without colors. Everyone still loves it because it's yummy. Guess what? There was a cake as tall as 10-story building and as heavy as 10 cars. It was made in Indonesia in 2008 for amazing Christmas. How cool is that? See you in next video.